Hello guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Today, may bago na naman tayong i-review. It's called Black Legend. Kung naghahanap ka ng extra kita habang naglalaro o nasa bahay ka pa, panoorin mo tong video na to hanggang dulo. Hello guys, install muna natin yung Black Legend or ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description.
A few moments later.
After natin ma-install, click lang natin yung play. At dito, login lang natin yung Google account natin. Kapag nag-error, try lang ulit natin i-login. After natin ma-login, lalabas yung dashboard niya guys. Click natin yung green money. At dito, kailangan natin ma-unlock yung level 5 para makita natin yung withdrawal. Guys, click natin yung play. At dito, bubuo lang tayo ng blocks. May tutorial naman yung new user. Dito, importante makuha natin yung mga fruits. Kasi yung mga fruits is exchange natin sa diamond, heart, or green money. Tuturo ko mamaya. Tapusin lang natin yung level 5.
A few moments later.
At dito guys, tapos na natin yung level 5. Click natin yung green banknote guys. At dito, yung minimum withdrawal is 500. Yung once natin ma-withdraw is 1.2 pesos. Para ma-withdraw natin yan guys is dapat makapasa tayo sa Royal Pass. Dito, i-exchange lang natin yung nakuha nating fruits. Click natin yung create a new account. At dito guys, makikita natin yung withdrawal method. Meron silang Lazada, GCash, PayMaya, and GrabPay. Click natin yung diamonds. Kapag na-complete na natin yung task, meron tayong makuhang 80 diamonds. At kapag naka-invite tayo is meron tayong makuhang 570 diamonds per person. Click natin yung create a new withdrawal account at dito makikita natin yung withdrawal. Meron silang GCash, Lazada, PayMaya, and GrabPay. Click natin yung exchange shop. At dito parang nagtatop up lang tayo dito. Or exchange natin yung green banknote natin. Tapos yung diamond sa load. Ipapakita ko kung ilang minimum yung pwedeng exchange. Ito yung example guys. Kapag 5 pesos is 5k yung green money at sa diamonds naman is 12k. Mas okay na lang na i-withdraw natin ito kasi mas mahal kapag in-exchange natin sa load. I-back lang natin. Guys, click natin yung task at dito, complete lang natin yung task para makakuha tayo ng avocado fruit at diamonds. At yung energy naman para makakuha tayo ng chest. Click natin yung invite at dito, kapag naka-invite tayo, meron tayong makukuhang diamonds at green banknote at saka yung badge. Back lang natin and click natin yung Royal Pass. At dito, exchange lang natin yung nakuha nating fruit sa paglalaro natin. Ganyan lang gawin guys para mabilis tayong maka-withdraw at maka-ipon.
A few moments later.
Guys, try naman natin mag-withdraw. Click natin yung green money and click natin yung create a new withdrawal account and pili lang tayo kung anong gusto nating i-withdraw. Sa akin, Lazada, type lang natin yung information number natin or information. After natin ma-type, click natin yung confirm and click natin yung 1.2, click natin yung withdrawal. And dito, maghihintay tayo ng 3 days. Pero wala pang 3 days or seconds lang, natanggap na natin yung na-withdraw natin dito. At yun guys, success na yung na-withdraw natin na 1.2 pesos. Back lang natin at try naman natin sa diamonds. Click natin yung withdraw at dito, same lang kanina is wala pang isang minuto natanggap na natin yung na-withdraw natin dito sa Black Legend. Tignan natin sa withdrawal history natin. At yun guys, success na yung na-withdraw natin. At tignan natin sa Lazada wallet natin. At yun guys, natanggap na natin yung 5.08 at 1.2 pesos na na-withdraw natin dito sa Black Legend. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video ko, please like, subscribe, and click mo na din yung notification bell para updated ka kung meron tayong bagong video.